guy? Watching to Clifford the Big Red Dog. First look, Paramount Pictures by Paramount Pictures. Always, yeah, I'll cut a little bit. That's good. And I'll go for the video. And yeah, let's get in 3, 2, 1. Let's go! I want to see his sign look like.
We're thankful for the pets whose love got us through the year.
It's great
next
to
year,
dog.
get ready to love even bigger.
That sign doesn't look bad. I like that. I'm so hyped for this. And it's coming November 2021. I know, but yeah. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to Paramount Pictures for more movie trailers. And I'll see you guys next video. Peace out.